Good afternoon, everyone.
Yeah.
I hope you're doing well.
Yes.
Okay, welcome. Welcome to our first training session about e-school applications. First of all, I am Kulthum Najjar, training at eSchool Company. I will be with you during a set of sessions. Each training session is about a special application you can use through eSchool. Today we will start with our first application is eSchool application app. We will discover and explain how this app works and how you can use this app for in purpose to sending agenda to students. Okay?
Yes.
Okay. So first of all application on eSchool available through the website, also available as application. You can download all the application through your phone, either Android devices or iPhone devices. Today, we will discover how the application works through the website, and later on, you will receive a video explain how this app works on your mobile phone. Okay? So, first of all, we use the application, the website, sorry. The website is www.myeschoolhome.com. Okay? Okay. Do log out. Log out.
It's something up on the link.
Okay.
It's recorded, so we can send it to you later.
Yes, the video explain how the application works on your mobile phone. We will send it later on, okay? But our session today is about how this application works through the website, okay? Okay. The website is www.myeschoolhome.com. When you enter the website, also you should enter your username and password to get access to your private account on the app. Okay. Each one of you, I assume, have the username and password, right?
Yeah. Yes.
So you can use this username and password through the application in your phone. Okay. Follow me in your mobile phone, okay? So we enter the username and the password. And click on login, okay? So when we use the application or when you use the website for the first time, by default, you can see firstly the first app, eSchool Connect. This application is for communication. We will explain this application later on. But today we will talk about eSchool Agenda. So when you get through this app to eSchool Connect, you should go and switch to the other app, eSchool Agenda. How you can switch to the other app? You can tap on this icon, eSchool Apps, okay? And choose the application eSchool Agenda, okay? With the green icon here.
Okay, you can see here, and then you try to solve it, and then you try to apply it later.
Okay. On your phone, each application is separated. You have eSchool application separated to eSchool Connect and other apps, okay? But on the website, you have one website. In this website, you have all the application and you can switch between them, okay? Clear?
Yes. Yeah.
Okay. So go to eSchool Agenda. Now we are in the right application, eSchool Agenda. First, the purpose of this application or the main purpose for this application is to sending agenda to your students and later on to see or follow up your students' assignment works or maybe send correction for the assignment or maybe enter grades for this assignment to your students, okay? But in this application, we have other features or other services are also available, but the main service for this application is sending agenda to your students. Okay, so each application, you can see for each application is divided into many other sections or many subsections. Okay, by when you tap on this three dashes here in the left corner, okay, you can see many sections, okay, for this app. We can start with the home page, okay? Home page, you can call it home page or maybe dashboard, the dashboard for this application. In the dashboard, also the dashboard is divided into many sections. The first one is the schedule for today. So you as a teacher, when you open the agenda for today, you can see your schedule for today. You have from session number 1 to session number 8. In your school, you have from session number 1 to session number 7. And you can see your schedule for today. For example, me as a teacher, I have for the first session grade 1 chemistry course, for the second one grade 1 math, etc. Okay, so in the dashboard you can see your schedule for today. Also, you can see the agenda for today, or another term, you can see the agenda, the due date of agenda of this agenda is today. Okay, for so each agenda from this agenda, the due date of this agenda is today. Okay. Also, when the school administration adds some holidays, some upcoming holidays, you can see also the holidays on the dashboard, okay? So for the first section for this app or the dashboard, you can see some information as your schedule for today, the agenda for today, also the holidays, the upcoming holidays, okay? Clear for the dashboard or for the home page?
Yes.
Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. So now we can move to the principal section, agenda section. In this section, you can be able to send agendas for your student and also to open the agenda later on and see the student's assignment work. So tap on eSchool agenda, this third section. Okay, now I am in the main page or in the main service of this agenda. You can see the whole week, okay, 7 days, the whole week. Also, you have in the bottom of the page, you have the additional icon or the add icon, okay? When you click on the additional icon in the green color, okay, in the right corner here, you can click on the plus icon, okay? You can see 3 additional icons, the red one, the yellow one, and the blue one. To send agenda or to create agenda, the first step is to create agenda, and then we can send the agenda later. So the step number 1 is to create this agenda. So you can click on create homework or create agenda. When I click on create homework, you can see this page or this box. You should fill this information. First of all, select the classes, also the courses, and set the due date of this agenda. This date is the due date of this agenda, or when the student should done this agenda or send this agenda, okay? So when you click on select classes, you can see a drop-down list with your classes only. For example, if I am a math teacher for grade 1, 2, and 3, when I open this drop-down list, I can see only my classes, grade 1, 2, and 3, okay? Also, the same thing for the courses list. When you choose, for example, grade 1, section A and go to choose the course. Also for the courses list, you can see only the course you teach, okay? So I choose, for example, this agenda is for grade 1, section A, for the course, the math course, and the due date of this agenda is for example, September 24, okay? This date is the due date of this agenda, okay? Be careful about this date because this date is the due date of this agenda. For the description about this agenda, you can explain what is this agenda for the student. For example, solve exercise number 1 and 2, page 20, okay? School book, for example, okay? You have here also send button. When you fill all the information, choose the class, the course, the due date of the agenda, and describe what is the agenda. You can click on send button, okay? I click on send. When you click on send directly in the real time or in the same time, this agenda will be sent to your students in grade 1 class, okay? Where you can see this agenda by click on or tap on the due date of this agenda. The due date of this agenda is September 24. So I click on the due date of this agenda from this scroll. So I can see this agenda, the sending agenda. Okay? Clear?
Clear, yes.
Okay. Do you have some missing steps or all is clear?
What is clear?
All is clear? So we can continue?
Yes, please.
Yes, yes.
Okay, so back to today, September 22, I want to add some extra agenda or some other agenda. So can anyone help me to add a new agenda, please? Help, please. I want to add some extra agenda now. Okay? Can anyone help me on the steps I will follow? Okay, repeat with me the same steps, okay? Yeah, anyone? Go ahead. Anyone?
You click on the plus sign.
Yes, exactly.
Take the homework.
Homework.
Yeah.
Create.
Choose the
Select the
class.
subject.
Yeah. The course.
Crash.
Chemistry, for example. Okay. What about this date? This date is
Due date.
the due date of this agenda, for example, 25. And here we can write or describe what is this agenda for your student. Okay. Description here. Okay. So thank you. We have extra features you can use when you need, okay? This extra feature is available to use when you have to use, okay? So this, the first one is a student interaction. A student interaction is a feature you can use it or you can be enabled or disable when you need. Student interaction means or when this feature is available or enabled, that's mean when the student receive this agenda, can ask about this agenda by write a comment, for example, or answer, also to add some attachment file, okay? So when you send this agenda and this feature is enabled, when the student receives this agenda, already have the permission to ask about this agenda by writing any comments and to add some attachment file to the this agenda. Okay, so this is about student interaction. And you have also the feature to add some attachment to this homework. Maybe your homework is some extra exercise or some extra file. You want to send it with your agenda. So you can add or use this feature attachment file to add some extra file to your agenda. For example, for the description, for example, see the attachment, etc. file about the agenda. Okay, click on attachment or attach, and you can click on upload to upload your file. This file can be Excel file or PDF file or maybe Word file, video, picture, all type of attachments. Okay, so I want to choose this PDF file and click on open. So this agenda or the content of this agenda is the description here, also the attachment file here. Okay, and about the student interaction, in this agenda, I want to interact with my students, so this feature should be enabled. So the students have the permission to ask about this agenda through the comments, write a comment, or to add some extra file as attachment file. Okay, so go and click on send. This agenda is sending now to your students in the grade 1 class. Go to the due date of this agenda, and you can see this agenda. Okay, so it's clear about this two additional features: student interaction and how to add attachment file to your agenda. It's clear for you? Teachers?
Yes.
Okay, clear? Okay, so now we have some extra features. You can use it after sending your agenda. Okay, for example, this agenda for the math course for the grade 1. Here you can see your name as teacher for this course. You can see also here the sending date and time for this agenda. So the due date of this agenda is September 24, but the sending date of this agenda is September 22 because I sending this agenda today, but the due date of this agenda is for the upcoming 2 days for September 24. So we have some extra feature. You can use it after sending the agenda. How you can see those features by click or tap on these 3 points. You can see a set of extra features. You can use it later on, يعني after sending your agenda. This features is edit, open, delete, share, copy, and info. The first one is edit. So if you want to edit some information about this agenda and resend to your student, so you can click on edit. You have here the original agenda, so you can do all your modification to this agenda. For example, the agenda is actually number 1, 2, and 3. So I added this agenda and I should click another time on send button. So this agenda now is modified. Okay, so the exercise is number 1, 2, and 3, and you can see here that this agenda has added. Was added, sorry. So The first one is edit. The second one is open. I will talk about this feature later on. You can also delete the agenda. If you want to delete any agenda, you can use this feature. For example, for this agenda, I want to delete this agenda. So I can click on delete and click on delete. Okay. This agenda is deleted now, but you can see this agenda, but you cannot open this agenda. Okay. So edit feature and delete feature, you have two extra features to share and copy any agenda. For example, if I am a math teacher for grade 1, section A and B, okay, the first step is to sending this agenda for one of two sections, like I do now, for the section A. If I want to share or copy the same agenda for the second section B, I can share this agenda. I click on share. I choose the grade 1 section B and the same course, math course. You can change the due date of this agenda for the section B, and you can click on share. You can choose many class, not only one. By add a class, you can click on add a class, and you can share this agenda with some extra classes. Okay, so you can share this agenda by click on share option and click on close. So you can see here this agenda math course for first grade English A. This is the original one. And you can see the shared agenda with section B. Okay. Clear for you for the shared option? Clear?
Yes.
Okay. So you have also other option to copy this agenda, not to share. It's same concept with some modification. For the share option, when you share any agenda, all the modification for the first one can be appear also on this agenda you shared. Okay, for example, for the original agenda, we added this agenda, right? We added this agenda. So when you go to the shared agenda for section B, you can see also added. Okay, so the same modification on the original agenda, you can see it on the or in the shared agenda. But the second option to copy this agenda, when you use the copy feature or the copy option, you have separated agenda, or you have a separated version for this agenda. I will do it. When you go to copy, I want to copy the same agenda for section B and choose the same course math and click on copy and then close. So for the section B, the first one is the copied agenda, but the second one is the shared agenda. You can see the difference between these two options or these two features. For the copy agenda, you have totally a new agenda or individual agenda. But the shared one, you have the same modification you made for the original one. You can see also in the agenda you shared. Okay? Clear for you the difference between shared an agenda and copy an agenda?
Yes.
Yes.
And for example, if you want to delete the original one, the original agenda, how this act can you can see for the copied or the shared agenda. If I want to delete the original one, also the shared agenda will be deleted, but for the copy agenda, it will be the same. It's not affected. Okay. Clear?
Yeah.
Okay. Okay. The last one or the last feature, it's the most important feature is open the agenda. when you as a teacher, when you can open the agenda, when you wanted to see or to look up at your students' work, student assignment works, so you should go and open this agenda to see your students' works or to interact with your students. Okay, so to see how the students also can interact with this agenda, or how the student open the agenda and see the agenda and interact with this agenda, I will open a student account. Okay, this account is a student account, and we will see how this student receive this agenda and how the student interact with your agenda. Okay, go back to the teacher agenda, click on open or tap on open. When you tap on open, you can see the course name, okay, the due date of this agenda, and you have 0 out 19 done. That's mean now you don't have any students has done with this agenda or done this agenda. So here you can see also the student list in this class. Okay, for example, you can change the wait for a minute. Okay, student list. Okay, so this student account is for IHAM. Okay, you can see IHAM in this list by click on the name, this one. Okay, so when you click on or when you want to see the assignment works for IHAM, you should click on the student name. Okay, when I click on student name, this page right now is for the student, or this page is the agenda page for this student only. Okay, so go to the student account and open the agenda. Now I am a student and I want to open my agenda. So I can go to eSchool Agenda app and see the agenda section. Okay. I choose next 7 days. And the due date of this agenda is September 24. Okay, this agenda. Okay. Now I open this agenda and see the math agenda. When you go back to the teacher account, okay, you can see for I have 2 blue ticks and also seen a few seconds ago. That's mean this student saw this agenda a few minutes ago, and you can see also this 2 blue ticks behind the student's name. So this mean, or this 2 signs mean that that student see or saw this agenda. Okay. Go to the student account and open this agenda. Okay. The student open the agenda. Okay. What is the available teachers or for the student? The student can write any comment or answer for this homework or this agenda. Also have the permission to upload file. Why the students have this permission? Because when I send this agenda, the student interaction was enabled. Okay, so the student has the permission to write any comment or to upload any file. So me as a student I can write any comment or answer or upload any file. For example, good morning, and click on post. Go back to the teacher account, refresh the page, and go to IHAM agenda. You can see here the icon of the comment is in green. That means the student sent a comment about this agenda, and you can see here good morning from IHAM. You as a teacher, when you want to reply to this student, you should click on the student name. When you open the student page or the student agenda page, you can reply to this comment by good morning. For example, and click on post. Go back to the student account. The student can see your reply to her or his comment. Okay. Also, the student can click on upload file to upload any file. For example, you want from the student to make some project on PowerPoint, Word, Excel, whatever. The student have the permission to upload any file as an attachment file, like this file, a Word file. Okay, go back to the student, to the teacher's account. You can see the attachment file for the student, uploaded by the students. Okay. This file. This attachment file or this file, you can only preview. Also, you can download this file. Okay. Also, for the student, when the student finish this agenda, the student should click on done here. When he click on done, you can see that I have